Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well, right? Yes. Today I am again here to teach you mathematics. I hope you all are very interested to learn mathematics, right? Yes. Then today we are going to learn a very interesting chapter, that is chapter number 3 in your textbook. It is Spatial Understanding, Shapes and Sizes. It's about spatial understanding, shapes and sizes. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to recognize a spatial relationship. Okay? Then you have to learn how to recognize as different sizes and shapes. Then you have to identify different sizes and shapes. Then you have to colors and draws 4 basic shapes. 4 basic shapes. Okay, then you have to observe and complete geometrical patterns. I repeat, in this chapter, we are going to learn how to recognize a spatial relationship, then how to recognize different sizes and shapes, then you have to identify different sizes and shapes, then you have to colors and draws 4 basic shapes, then you have to learn to observe and complete geometrical patterns. Okay, let's ready. Okay, then can you see this picture in your textbook? Yes, this picture is in your textbook. Page number 13. You should take your textbook and a pencil along with you. Okay? This picture is, you can see this picture in your textbook, page number 13. Okay? Then, look this. Here, Beta and Kevi, 2 boys are playing in a slide, right? Yes, Beta and Kevi, 2 boys are playing in a slide. Who is on the top of the slide? Who is on the top of the slide? Yes, it is Beta, right? Beta is on the top of the slide. Then who is at the bottom of the slide? Yes, it is Kevi. You are right. Kevi is at the bottom of the slide. Beta is on the top of the slide. T-O-P, top. Then, who is at the bottom of the slide? Kevi. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Then, look here. You can see this picture also in your textbook, page number 13, right? Yes, here Kevi and Beta is playing in swing, right? Yes, then who is on the swing here? Who is on the swing? Yes, Beta is on the swing, right? Yes, Beta is on the swing. Then who is under the tree? Yes, here Kevi is waiting for his turn, right? So he is standing under the tree. Kevi is under the tree and Beta is on the swing. On, under. O-N, on. U-N-D-E-R, under. Okay? Then look here. Can you see this picture in your textbook? Yes, this picture is also in your textbook, page number 14, 1-4. Okay, then tell me, what did they see above them? What did they see above them? Yes, birds. Birds, right. Then tell me, what did they see below them? Yes, ants. Ants. birds above them. They can saw birds above them and they can saw ants below them. Above, below. Above, below. Then what's the spelling of above? A, B, O, V, E. Above. Then below. B, E, L, O, W. Below. Okay. Then you can see this picture also in your textbook page number 14. In this picture, we can see a sweet shop, right? One boy is inside the sweet shop and another one is outside the sweet shop, right? Then tell me, who is inside the sweet shop? Yes, Kevi is inside the sweet shop. Then who is outside the sweet shop? Yes, Beta is standing outside the sweet shop. Inside, outside. Right? Inside, outside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Inside, outside. Okay. Then, look, page number 14. Yes, this rat and cat is in your textbook, right? Yes, you have to circle the animal on top and color the animal at the bottom. Who is here in the top? Who is here on the top? Yes, that rat is on top, right? Then who is at the bottom? Yes, that cat is sitting at the bottom, right? Then you have to circle the animal on top like this. Yes. You have to circle the rat. Rat is at top. T-O-P, top. Then you have to color the cat because cat is sitting at bottom, right? What is the spelling of bottom? B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Then, can you see this picture in your textbook? Yes, this is also in our textbook, page number 14, right? Yes, you have to circle the book on the table and color the book under the table. Circle the book on the table and color the book under the table, on, under. Like this, yes. You have to circle the book on the table and you have to color the book under the table. Okay? Then look here. Circle the object above the girl and color the table below the light. You have to circle the object above the girl and color the table below the light. Okay? Yes. You have circle the light above the girl like this. Okay? Then color the table below the light. A, B, O, V, E, above. B, E, L, O, W, below. Okay? Got it? Yes. Then circle the boy outside the gate. The boy is standing outside the gate, right? Yes. Then you have to circle the boy. Then color the dog inside the gate. Color the dog inside the gate. Okay. Outside, inside. Outside, inside. Yes, like this. Circle the boy and color the dog. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Okay, then what is this? Yes, this is a shape, that is circle. Circle. This is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, circle, okay? Then, here you can see some circular objects. Wheel is circle in shape, right? Then button, button in your shirt is in which shape? Yes, it is circle in shape. Then pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes, its pizza is in which shape? It is circle in shape. Circle in shape. Then sun. Sun is also circle in shape. Then full moon. Full moon is also in which shape? Yes, it is circle in shape. Then clock. Clock is also circle in shape. Then tell me some name of objects that having circle in shape. Yes, wheel, button, pizza, sun, moon, clock are circular objects, right? Then this is square. This is square. Yes, Q U A R E, square. Yes, Q U A R E, square. Then piece of bread, right? It is bread. Bread is in which shape? Square shape. Yes, then this is chessboard, right? Yes, this chessboard is also in which shape? Square in shape. Then this clock is in which shape? Yes, it's square in shape. These objects having square shape, right? Yes, this is a blackboard. This is a blackboard. It also having square shape. Okay, then this is triangle. 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 Here are some triangular shaped objects. This is a slice of pizza, right? This is in which shape? Yes, it's triangular in shape. And this is a traffic signal, right? This is a traffic signal and this also have triangular in shape. This is also triangular in shape. Okay, then this is rectangle. 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 Okay. Yes, this is door. Door is rectangular in shape. Door. Then this is mobile phone, right? Yes, this mobile phone is also which shape? Is rectangle in shape. Then this is Indian currency, right? Yes, this is also in which shape? Is rectangle in shape. Then this book is in which shape? Is rectangle in shape. Then this is a pencil box, right? Yes, this is also in which shape? Rectangle in shape, right? Yes. Then, can you see this picture in your textbook? Yes, this is in page number 20. You can see this picture in your textbook. Okay. You have to color the circle red and the triangles yellow. You have to color the circle red and the triangles yellow. First, you have to identify the circle and all the triangles. Okay. Then, you have to color like this. Circle in red and triangles in yellow. Okay. Then, can you see this picture in your textbook? It's in page number 21. You can see the same picture. Okay. You have to color the circles yellow, the squares red, the triangles green and the rectangles blue. Okay? Color the circles yellow, the squares red, the triangles green and the rectangles blue. Okay? Then, like this. Okay? You have to color like this. Then tell me how many circles are there? How many circles are here? Tell me. Count the circles. 2 eyes are circle, right? Yes. Then count the circles. Yes, here are 7 circles, right? 7 circles. You can see the circles here. In 2 hands, you can see the circles, and in legs, you can also see circles, right? Yes, then total circles 7. Then, how many squares are there? You can see the squares in which color? Red color. Yes, 6 squares. 6 squares are here. Then how many triangles are there? Triangles. You can see the triangles in green color. Green. Yes, count the triangles. As it is 4. 4 triangles are here, right? Then how many rectangles are there? Rectangles. Yes, the blue color is, yeah, rectangles. Yes, you got it. We have 3 rectangles here, right? Then identify the 4 basic shapes. Try to identify. What's the first shape? Is it triangle? No, it's circle. Yes, it is circle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Then, yes, it is square. Yes. Then, what's the next shape? Is it triangle? No, it is rectangle. Yes, very good. Then, the last one is triangle. Yes. Then, today we learned some new words, right? Yes. The first word we learned today is top. T-O-P, top. Then, bottom. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Then, on. O-N, on. Under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Above. A-B-O-V-E, above. Below. B-E-L-O-W, below. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E, inside. Outside. O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. I repeat. Top, bottom, on, under, above, below, inside and outside. These are the new words we learned today. Okay, then this is our activity time. Okay? You have to complete the pattern. The first one is a triangle. Can you see a triangle here? Yes. Then the next one is a rectangle. The third one is again a triangle. The fourth is a rectangle. Then what is next? What is next? Yes. Try to complete the pattern yourself. Okay. This is the activity for you. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, you can ask in our comment box. I will be available to sort out your doubts. Okay. I hope you all got an idea about this chapter. Then we can see in our next video with a new interesting chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.